Hi children, good morning. Welcome to maths class. How are you children? I hope you all are good and fine. Yes? Okay Nana, stay home, stay safe Nana. Don't go outside. Okay? So up to now we completed 2 chapters Nana. First chapter large number, second chapter addition and subtraction. Isn't it? So today I am going to start the third chapter multiplication and division. What is the third chapter children? Multiplication and division. Okay? Are you ready Nana? So still we completed 2 chapters. First one is the large numbers and second one is the addition and subtraction. So my dear children, you have to practice daily half an hour maths Nana. Okay, then only you can get perfection in the subject. So along with the practice you have to learn the tables from 2 to 20. Okay Nana. So tables are very important for multiplication and division. If we learn the tables, then we can do multiplication and division easily. Okay, so what is the third chapter Nana? Come on all of you, open your maths CWs. Come on, start the third chapter. Multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Write neatly in your classwork children. Keep the heading multiplication and division. So this already we have learned in the 4th class Nana, but here we are going to learn the multiplication of 4-digit numbers by 2, 3 and 4-digit number, and to learn the multiplication of 5-digit numbers by 1 or 2-digit number. Okay na? In this chapter we are going to learn the techniques of multiplication and to divide the 5 and 6-digit numbers by 1 and 2-digit numbers. Okay ma? To solve the word problems on multiplication and division. Okay. So first here see ma, page number 37, open all of you. Open page number 37 in your textbook Nana. Third chapter, multiplication and division. Let's get started. So see here Nana, before going to this, once again we revise what we learned in the previous class. So you know that very well, the symbol for multiplication is into. Okay, and the result of multiplication is called product. For example, if you take 243 into 5, here the number which is to be multiplied, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number of times the multiplicand to be multiplied. How many times here we do multiplication? 5 times. Okay, the number of times the multiplicand to be multiplied is called multiplier. Multiplier. Okay, so the result of multiplication, that means if you multiply, see ma here, this is ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. First we multiply the ones place. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry to the tens place, 5 in the ones place. 5 4s are 20 plus 1. 21. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So this is called product. This is called product. Okay ma? So the symbol for multiplication is into. The number which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number of times multiplicand to be multiplied is called multiplier, and the result of multiplication is called product. Okay ma? And now multiplication facts. So in the multiplication the order is not important Nana. If you multiply the numbers in any order, we get the same answer only. Okay ma? That is the first one. And if you multiply the any number by 1, this is called identity. Multiplicative identity Nana. If this number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number only. So the number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number. If any number is multiplied by 0, this is called 0. The product is 0. Okay ma? If any number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number. The number is multiplied by 0, we get 0 only. Okay? This is identity ma. Multiplicative identity. Okay ma? And if you multiply that Suppose let us take 25 into 4, 100. If you change the order of this, 4 into 25 also 100. So from this what we can say, order is not important in multiplication. So if we multiply the numbers in any order, we get the same number only. Okay ma? Is it clear to you children? Now coming to the textbook. Don't write anything in your class book Nana, first you listen. So let's get started. See this one. Ame is spending the weekend at his grandparents' house. His grandfather has planted a vegetable garden in the backyard. The garden has a variety of vegetables planted in the patches. Okay, if Ame's grandfather has planted 24 vegetables in one patch, how many vegetables planted in one patch? Yes, so number of vegetables in one patch. In one patch there are 24 vegetable plants. Okay, so planted 24 vegetables in one patch. Then find the total number of vegetables in 11 such patches. So in 11 patches, how many vegetables are there? So see children, if one is given and we have to find the number of, we should do multiplication. This already you learnt in the 4th class, isn't it? Okay ma? See ma, in one patch 24 vegetable plants are planted. In 11 patches, how many? Find the total number of vegetables in 11 such patches. So 11 such patches means we should do multiplication. 24 into 11. 11 fours are 44. So 4, 11 twos are 22 plus 4. 23, 24, 25, 26. So how many vegetables are there in 11 patches? Yes, we do multiplication. 24 into 11 equal to 264 vegetables. Okay ma, in one patch there are 24 vegetables plants. Okay, so in 11 patches, so planted how many Nana? In 11 patches 264 vegetables are planted Nana. Okay, is it clear to you Nana? Here we do multiplication. So Ame is spending the weekend at his grandparents' house Nana. His grandfather has planted a vegetable garden in the backyard. The garden has a variety of vegetables planted in the patches. Okay, if Ame's grandfather has planted 24 vegetables in one patch, then find the total number of vegetables in 11 such patches. So already 264. How many total number of vegetables in 11 such patches? 264. Now sometimes his grandfather donates the vegetables to an old age home in his locality. If 12 vegetables can be packed in a wooden box, how many vegetables can be packed in wooden box? Yes, number of vegetables packed in wooden box. How many? Yes, 12 Nana. So 12 vegetables can be packed in a wooden box. How many boxes would be needed to pack all the vegetables? So number of boxes required. Don't write this one, just you listen ma, this is the explanation part. So number of boxes required to pack 264 vegetables. Already we got 264 vegetables, no Nana? So what we do here? Yes, 264 is divided into 12. Okay, 264 is divided by 12. So see this one Nana. So 12 twos are 24. 2 take down 4. 12 twos are 24. Here 2 is small number, so that you take 2 numbers at a time. 26. 12 twos are 24. Do the subtraction, take down 4. Now again 12 twos are 24. So how many boxes required to pack all that vegetables? Yes, we need 22 wooden box to pack the 264 vegetables. Okay, is it clear to you children? Okay ma, this is given in your page number 37 Nana. Let's get started. Okay, don't write this one in your classwork, just you listen. So here we do multiplication and division. Okay, now all of you open your classwork and write key concepts. Keep this side heading Nana, leave one box and write. Okay, are you ready children? Let's write down. The multiplicand, the number to be multiplied, the number to be multiplied. Note down in your classwork. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Next, the number of times the multiplicand is multiplied, the multiplicand is to be multiplied. The number of times the multiplicand is to be multiplied is called multiplier. Write neatly Nana. Write neatly in your classwork. Next. And the result of multiplication is called, the result of multiplication is called product. The result of multiplication is called product. And next, write down Nana. Write neatly in your classwork children. So when a number is multiplied, multiplied by 0, the product is always equal to 0. Equal to 0. Write neatly ma. Can I rub this one children? Okay, write down next. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the same as the number. The number itself. Write neatly in your classwork. Next point, Nana. If the order of the numbers that are being multiplied is changed, the product does not change. The product does not change. The product does not change. Note down this in your classwork, ma. Okay, next. Finish it, children. Can I rub this one, Nana? Come on, write down. Next, can I rub this one? Write down, Nana. When a number is multiplied, when we multiply a number by 10, we write 10 to the right of the number. Okay, and then multiply by the number Play the number by 1. Number by 1. See Nana here, 45 into 10. That means first you multiply 45 ones are 45 and keep 0 in the ones place to the right side of that number. That is in ones place Nana, and then multiply the number by 1. Okay. So when we multiply a number by 10, we write 10 to the right side of the number and then multiply the number by 1. Okay ma, is it clear to you Nana? Next, when we multiply, right next Nana, when we multiply a number by 100, we write 2 zeros to the right side of the number that is ones and tens places. And then multiply by 1. Okay ma? Write down. Same like that, when we multiply a number by 1000, we write 3 zeros to the right of the number, that is ones, tens, hundreds places, and then multiply by 1. Okay ma? Same like that for by 1000 also. I write here Nana. When we multiply a number by 1000, we write 3 zeros to the right of the number that is ones, tens and hundreds. Hundreds places and then multiply by 1. Okay ma? And now, can I rub this one children? So first write, multiply a 4-digit number, leave the space and write Nana, multiply a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Keep this side heading. Multiplying a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay ma? Let us take one number. So 1589 into 25. See this multiplication children? How I multiply this? See ma? This is a 4-digit number and it's a 2-digit number. So here multiplicand Yes, 1589 is called multiplicand and 25 is called multiplier. Now we will find the product. Okay ma? So here first you multiply by the ones place Nana, not for the tens place. Start from the ones place. So 5 nines are 45. So 45, 4 in hand, 5 is down. See children, all of you look at me first, after you will write in classwork. First you listen how I am doing the multiplication. Okay Nana? 5 nines are 45, 4 in hand, 5 is down. 5 eights are 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Again 44 came, so 4 in hand, 4 is down. Okay ma? 5 fives are 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 means 2 in hand, 9 is down. 29. Okay. Now multiply thousands. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. Finish. The ones place is completed. Now start from the tens place. Before going to that, you write 0 in the ones place. Okay ma? 0 in the ones place. Now start from the tens place. 2 nines are. 2 nines are. My dear children, here don't forget to keep 0. So 2 nines are 18. 18 means 1 in hand, 8 is down. 2 eights are 16 plus 1, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 2 fives are 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 1 in hand, 1 is down. 1, 1, 11. Okay. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Now completed the multiplication. Now you add these numbers. Okay. Keep plus symbol here. 0 means nothing, so write 5. 4 plus 8. Take 4 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 1 in hand, 2 is down. 1 finger, 9 is there, Nana. 9 after 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. Already 1 is there. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now 3. So answer is 39,725. Okay. See children, here 5 nines are 45 means you write side 45 and keep 5 here and 4. 5 eights are 40 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. You are doing like that, no Nana. But instead of this, directly we keep the another number, that means tens place number or hundreds place number will keep in our hand. Okay, 5 nines are 45. 4 in hand, 5 is down. 5 eights are 40, 41. Directly we should add. Okay ma? 41, 42, 43, 44. 4 in hand, 4 is down. 44 means. Okay, 5 fives are 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 2 in hand, 9 is down. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So do like this. Then we will get the answer 39,725. Okay, note down in your classwork children neatly. Okay, finish ma? Just pause the video and write neatly ma. Shall we go to the next problem? Okay. Next, right? Multiply a 4-digit number. Write neatly ma. Multiply a 4-digit number by a 3-digit number. By a 3-digit number. Okay, ma? So 1134 into 201. Note down in your classwork. 1 first start from the ones place. 1 fours are 4. 1 multiply tens. 1 threes are 3. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. Now ones place is closed. So keep 0. Now you multiply a tens place. What's there in the tens place? 0. 0 fours are 0. 0 threes are 0. 0 ones are 0. 0 ones are 0. Finish. Now ones place completed. Tens place completed. Now start from the hundreds place. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Now we add these numbers. 4, 3, 1 plus 8, 9, 1 plus 6, 7, 2, 2. So 2,27,934. Okay, ma? 2,27,934. Note down in your classwork, ma. This is a 4-digit number by a 3-digit number multiplication. Note down in your classwork. Now, okay, ma? Now multiply a 4-digit number by a 4-digit number. Keep this heading, all of you. Multiply a 4-digit number by a 4-digit number. Note down in your classwork. So here they are given 2643. 2643 into 1587. See children, here this is a 4-digit number and this is also 4-digit. So multiplicand and this is multiplied. Now we find the product. Come on, start from the ones place. 7 threes are 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. See ma, 7 fours are 28, 29, 30. 30 means 30. So 3 in hand, 0 is down. 7 6 are 42, 43, 44, 45. 4 in hand, 5 is down. 7 twos are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Finish. Now ones place is over. So keep 0 in the ones place. Start from the tens place. 8 threes are. Multiply at tens place. 8 threes are 24. 2 in hand. 4 is down. 8 fours are 32. 33. 34. 3 in hand. 4 is down. 8 6 are 48. 49. 50. 51. 5 in hand. 1 is down. 8 twos are 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. No number, so write 21 side. Okay, so 2 numbers are completed. Now multiply at tens, hundreds place. 5 threes are 15. 1 in hand, 5 is down. 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21. 21 means 2 in hand, 1 is down. 5 6 are 30. 31, 32. 3 in hand, 2 is down. 5 twos are 10, 11, 12, 13. Finish. Now, ones completed, tens completed, hundreds completed. Now start from the thousands. 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 6 are 6, 1 twos are 2. Now we add all these numbers. Okay. Yes, 1. 4. First you add these two numbers, 5 plus 4. 5 in hand, 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 in hand, 4 is down. Take 1 finger, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 in hand, 4 is down. Take 1 finger, 1 after 2, 3. Take 3 fingers, 2 after 3, 4, 5. Take 4 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 in hand, 1 is down. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, 3 digits after comma, 2 digits after comma. So it is 441,94,900, 441. Okay ma, so the product is 41,94,441. Let's note down in your classwork neatly, children, and give the gap same like this. How I written on the board, same as it is, you have to give gap and write neatly number down number. It is very, very important, children. Some children, they are writing like this, Nana. Here itself only 0, here 4, here 4. There is no order. And which number down they written, they don't know. So don't write like this. Give that space between the numbers and you have to write the number down number. Number down number. Okay, don't write the numbers in the middle of the space. Okay ma? Write neatly in your classwork. Up to here, Nana. Tomorrow we will continue the multiplication of the 5-digit number. Okay children? So my dear children, I hope you understand the today's class. Learn the key concepts and practice these multiplications in rough book. And learn tables from 2 to 20. Bye children. Take care of yourself, Nana.